Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to create a professional .com email address on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to email. Here, select the .com domain you want to use for this professional email address. In my case, I will use this domain called bentutorial.com. Click on continue. Here, fill in your new email address. I will go with, for example, with support at. So my address will be support@bentutorial.com. Here, fill in your first name and last name and a password that you can remember. After that, click on continue. As you see, my email address or my professional email address is created. Click login to webmail to send your first email. The login to webmail button is still inactive. As you see, now it was completely created. Let's log into my new webmail. This is the Bluehost webmail access address, which is bluehost.titan.email. Here, fill in your newly created email address. In my case, it is support@bentutorial.com. Click on next. Fill in the password you've just used or created and click on login. Here you can enter a password recovery email address or do it later. I will do it later. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Here you can enter a password recovery email address or do it later. I will do it later. And this is my new inbox. Bring emails from Gmail. No, I'll do it later. Set up a professional signature. I'll do it later. Set your email viewing experience. You can group replies to an email as one email thread or show each reply to an email individually. I'll do it later. Download the Titan apps. Done. Proceed. And this is my new Bluehost, and this is my new professional email that I've just created on Bluehost. To send an email, click on new mail. A new window pops up. Here, this is good to have a tutorial, a simple tutorial like this. Step 1, save time with email templates. This is good to follow to help you understand how to use this interface. Here fill in your recipient email address, subject line, and the message, and click on send. To view or to check your new inbox messages, click on this inbox. Here in this shared file, you will see mails that you've added that you added a star into, the sent messages, the spam folder, the archive, trash, schedule it to be sent later, and so on. And this is how to create a professional .com email address on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.